Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, big up your blood clot self. Crosses TV.
Who want Crosses Bumbleclad TV? Them know way. For them never help blood clot grow. Big up yourself, Crosses TV. Cute. Yeah, me just come America, at the time, and I run through the border. Guys, I never enter in the United States of America with a brown envelope stating go to that address. I run. And when I run, me come in, you never come in with clothes. One suit of clothes with the palm back. No, which one suit of clothes? About 3 pants me put on and couple top. So me have couple little suit could have wash out and stuff. Come America, me not have it. So if me I work, me think you should respect that and support me and make we live, though. No, you can't do that because guess what? Me I gonna get richer than you. But yet still, me for work for you. Oh, that makes sense. That make no sense. That make no sense. So, bottom line, the moral of this story me I talk about is the people them is the most, and them are the one that make me not want to hear. The money is not right. I'm say that every day. Me not supposed to, when me done the ear, you want come give me roll up. At this me a mama. That girl go suck your mother, me throw water in your head. You feel like a joke me I make? Shy Sweet thank you so much for the art me. Yeah, me throw water in your head. Big and brawling. Me cheese as some stay. He's a roadside hairdresser. They care how, they care what. Me go have the road in my same way. I need up my money. Oh, I'm fair worker, you don't want to pay me. Not give me no vibes to do no here. And you have some set of people me used to do them here. It's when me start do back here, you don't want to come back, Me not have to call you, Me not have to call you name. Call no owe me. Me don't want to come back in my business. Please. Remember me did tell you that. Oh, and it's a load of shit. Both gay and straight. And I'm being real fucking serious. Don't want you there. And you can come give me anything I want to look book. So what kind of work you do now, sis? Is that relevant? I'm not sure if that's relevant. Plead the fifth on that. Sorry. Your hair looks nice. Thank you, Kimberly 222. Done by me. One cheesy. Cute and girly. Yeah, Chumba. Oh. Yeah, I'm mad talent. Guys, me a designer too. Me tell you, I'm not go to school to learn to do nothing. I just buy Bumbleclad things and just sit down and teach myself. I have to try that style. Oh, cute though. Yeah. It girly. Oh, baby, Ocean. I wish Ocean this. You come look nice without the makeup and shit. I said them want me knee length braid. If you eat your mad na blood clot tire. Tire my little niece go do her ear ready and a $600 butterfly locks. Go on, man. $600 she pay. No make them trick you, girl. Girl, you believe me say me come America and some people, cause me I go be real to you. Some people, me will take $100 from and put on them wig. Some, don't get me wrong, some. But a 150 straight me charge for install. If you add here to it and more money, when I say them people are making on a blood clot vibes to the blood clot here. Oh, look something for smoke, you know. Cute and girly, yeah, that me saying. So this stays so. Sorry, my bed not spread nor nothing. Come in now put on my clean good sheet and for blood clot. Bust it up. And then I have to fold up too. Right there so. It's wash. Skin cleaning, cute, big 40. Oh, 45 kids and no damage done. What is it? You have to be 40. You have to be 40 have 5 pitney, 5 big and small, and beat blood clot me with that. Yeah? I know I'm a girly. I'm a girly. But I just don't show it straight. Rosemary. That's the only way, you know. Up. Never down. Now. Never down. You look good for your age. Yeah, I know it. Thank you. I know I want somebody ever guess my age. Want somebody alone. And maybe through them all watch me and know. Because I not hide my age, you know. Every day I slap it by yourself. 45 kids. 45 kids, no damage done. Cute. How was the party last night, Wayne? The party nice. Me say me just a dance, so Wayne. You can't see me go so, hey, know yourself. You see 80s baby sexy keep it boo. We are win. Yeah. From 80 go straight back. Data code. Thank you, hair done by me. I'm proud of myself. Thank you, lad. So you see all the boy them right now. I'm good at say, hey, I wish if my woman this still like cheese, cause right now, I will put boy packet get stressed out about the place, yeah. I will put boy packet get dig out. Yeah. Cause the girl must every pan that man the girl them want fix. Talia. You? I see TikTok I go on bad, but them a come black me last night for my blood clot, smoking and drinking. And the liquor buckle never did that show, you know. Thank you so much, Niley Boo. I wonder if I pronounce that name right. Nige Boo, cute. Tony Boo, fabulous. And so much boo over blood clot here today. Oh, it's a boomerang. Today is a boomerang day. Nasif with the annoy. Thank you. I don't want no Crosses TV. It is a boomerang. Every boo dropping on my blood clot building today. I saw you last night. We took a picture. Oh, was that you? Girl, you're going bad. You angle the dance floor. Lady, I want me to have to deal with the floor, so. Hey, liquor really. Me said the woman just a winds up on her head. And her body begin to make test she angle the ground, you know, the woman angle it. Wayne! With the hoodies. With the wild. Fucking hell. Thank you so much, Wayne. With the diving whale. Nasif with the roses. Thank you so. Whoa! Wayne with the gold mine. Thank you so much. Cute and girly. This girly old Eve. Wayne say no, so prepare for me later. Come here, comfy and Scotty brawling. Wicked tonight. So prepare for me. I come strong. Thank you so much, Wayne. Guys, go grab up Wayne and I'm back. You know him? Wayne did with rascal laugh. One lion Wayne. Sexy Kimmy Boo, lion I go come in due time. We not run down black. We not run down black. What's that? Oh? In a due time lion I go come. Wheel him over, wheel me I get gold mine. Thank you so much, Wayne. Cute and girly. Lion I go come soon, true. You ready now? Can't ready because the workman them soon come to start work in a ceiling. Can't ready so early? Oh, God. Team Alpha with the giant. Big up yourself, you know. Last time I need little LPC last night. We don't know how much for the ranking. Jesus. 20 wish for the ranking at the early morning. Who are my cousin alone? Oh, for later. Alright then, you ready? Alright, cute. Ready, so me ask you to come off, link up Scotty and tell him say me I come with blood in my eye. Blood in my eye. No? Blood in my eye. See two out do. Link up my boy for Al-Qaeda. Make him come shoot up the whole place. Nicki Minaj, me say me need you for day here one of those days. You think I joke me I make girl? One thing though, me don't like how my belly look. I'm not gonna do no surgery. You know when time you just grab off the little side of your son and a little puff will come out. Nah, tell a lie, man. My belly too big, man. Until last night, I say, hell, I'm having the big highway panty, you know. I'm say every time I turn and look at the mirror, I say, yes, I just shoot, so. None of doctor can work on belly without cut me or push nothing at me. I'm afraid of it. God know. Afraid of you, girl. Them boy they not take my 3 pints of blood clot easy. Oh, fibroids, I'm big and breed out. No, baby, I don't have them things I've never had. Pretty problem. When you say detox? All of that too for true. Cause from come a friend, I don't do none of that. I swear to God, from come America, I don't detox and do them things there. So maybe it can be that too. Girl, just work out and you will be fine. Then, Mama, meat it up, cook up on the knife, and then the knife, not me. But some do it with berry and cherry and it becomes a problem to a lot of people. But some do it with berry and cherry and it becomes a big problem to a lot of people. Me, afraid for God that the knife they with them and thinking about how I call my name. Me, my bad, the blood clot is stagnant. Them are stagnant their whole life. And my brother, when certain people call their name and a judgment, man, they hold it down, man. Like a ghost. It can just be bloating. Drink super green. Super greens every morning. What's that? Super greens. That's it. Good. I forgot to send. Drink green juice and erase. And drink green juice and ease off rice and flour. Thank you, Slim. Thank you. Slime. Cute. Love your ear, Shani. Oh, I know, right? Thank you. Done by me, she's a blood clot, blase. Ole, ole. Cute. Thanks for the art, me goods. Thank you. Slime cute. It's green juice in powder form. Okay. Let go of the fluorized pasta, soda, and junk. Men are gone, no pass. Start no man. Start no man, boo. Crazy. What me do with menopause in my age now? Me have 40, you know. Listen, let me find a person here and just look if them know it have to be. Truth hurts. Go on to your bed. You don't want this in the Tuesday morning. Go on to your bed. Just go on your bed here. You don't even know you stress out my blood clot. You come tell me about blood clot. Me not pause. I'm gonna slide out one little baby vampire earth, yeah, so. Every earth me go me pay. Every style me step on me pay that. Hey, stop rumping me, no man. You feel like me not have to have a... Hear me, I say, my friend. Love menopause, yeah? Menopause is far from me. Menopause now come here, so. Just eat in portions and work out. Even when you do surgery, still have to work out and eat right. I like the long sit with them use juke up in there to take out the fat. I like it. I feel like that I go bust my heart. I don't know. Every time I see them I do it, that me worried about. You know, they say them always have to pick out one blood clot bomb.